got a new battery and an alternator, but I think something that's draining my battery come from the radio. I think that's what that's coming from the radio. Something touching, but I taped off all the wires just in case. I'm just gonna take it up there and let the people at the shop hook it up. That's where we at on the Cutlass bill. I ain't stopped, and I know y'all probably been waiting on another update, but y'all stay tuned, man. I ain't gave up on y'all yet, bro. We still in here. We still got the Cutlass sitting in the cut. Yeah, man, but this video today is about me changing out these rims. I got my rims I've been having for a minute just sitting up in the garage, and I was thinking about putting them on my truck, my S10. Yeah, I swapped the lights out on the front of it, so that's what made me sand the back down to be able to make it match up with my new lights on the front. Make sure the back look good. Yeah, but this would go right here. This is my old dash. This is my new dash. This is my brand new dash. I just haven't put it on yet. I ain't like all them cracks, so I'm gonna drop that on here. Make sure, yeah, stay tuned for when I drop that on there. But today we're gonna get these rims on here. Yeah, we're gonna get the rims on this thing. See what they look like. But first we gotta get it off this hill. I don't want it to be on this hill, cause you're never supposed to do nothing on top of the hill. So we're gonna put it over here. Let me go get the keys. Let me get these keys. Hold up. Yep, we automatically started. So we got these keys. I need to get my truck key too though, cause I'm gonna move my truck on the other side and I'm gonna move my car on the other side. Swap places. We're gonna swap these out. And we're gonna crank both of them up though. See what we got going here. That's the Malibu already pumped. I'm gonna let that run. Let that run right there. Oh, my Bluetooth not on, so that my video still be clear. I'm gonna move this one first. That feel good and smell good in here. I don't know what it is. It's been blanking. Ever since it got cold, seems like it's just been blanking. But anyway, I'm still put it on top of this car. So they be talking about. Oh! Alright, we just go here. We're gonna go forward. We're just gonna pass on the right hand side of the road. Right on the side of the road. Alright, y'all, we got that out the window. yeah, got a Mustang out here too for sale. Too many cars, man. Mustang for sale. I need a clutch in it. Everything else on it work. Clutch got burnt out on it. The motor rebuilt in it. But hit my DM. But yeah. Let's try to put this down. Alright, y'all, so let me see. We're gonna bag this boy here up. I'll put this one on over here. I think there will be somebody coming right when I'm trying to move. My hand probably was in the way with that. I'm gonna bag up in here. There goes some. Pretty good right here. Yeah, that's a little bit more level, so that's why I wanted to put it in. So yeah, let's see what this is right here. Let me show y'all these old rims. I know y'all probably see them on one of my cars, so they just been sitting over here. I'm gonna put them on there, and I'm gonna wrap this truck. Y'all stay tuned too. Y'all hit me in the comments, let me know what color I should go with. I don't know exactly yet. A black, a gray, something. Let me know. Let's get these up out of here. What's crazy is not crazy, but it's good. Hey, I marked these rims. Like, I can't see them just yet, but I'm gonna put these keys down. I marked these rims. And, from left to right. From left to right, and which one it is, see? So, this is the right one. You know, R, this is the right one. And the other one, all of them got they, what's called on it. They got a sign on them. So, we're gonna see. Put this up here. That's good. Spark plug. Grease. I still got cement. They put DV, so that means that's driver back. I put it where they put them in on there too, because it's the same thing. They put bigger words. It's the driver back side. Let's driver back. Driver back. That's what it looks like. That's what they look like. Now stay tuned, man. We're gonna get them together so you can see what they look like on here. Let's see, so that one got that. What this one got? PF. That's for the passenger front. Passenger front, right here. I wonder how man, look at that. Damn. Let them rims sit up. Look at all the stuff that I came off of. Look at that. Driver front. Look at the stuff came off of it. I'm letting it sit up. That's crazy. It's all good. They are old rims, so man, what can I say? They've been sitting up. We need to figure it out later. Let's see what it look like when they post it up by the car. Y'all give me some time, because I know y'all probably can't see how y'all want to. But we gonna let it see what it look like from the side. Hopefully this soon as this is too deep for my truck. Here go right here, y'all. That's how they gonna look. Alright, y'all, we got this 2-ton jack right here. It ain't even 2. 3.5. Big dog jack. Big boy jack. I know you jack. You feel me, Jack? Good hard spot where they gonna hit now. Yo. Let's get that. Let me grab my tool. Then move that ring. Put it to the side. What sucks is, then I had some good tips on there. I guess I'll buy some more. But every time I go to the tire shop, it's like they lose my stuff for me. What size is this? A 19. Yep, a 19. I'm gonna go get my 19mm slide because I don't feel like twisting with no 4-way. Like when you ain't got to do all that, we're gonna open that cap and look. We're gonna get us a 19 up there to go. Next there. Alright. Here we go. I should have low key. Alright, get them right there. We're gonna get that on up. That's how bad off. We're gonna see what this 22 talking about on here. Let's see what this 22 talking about on here. Y'all hold up. Give me a little hot second. Let's see what we got. These rims ain't light either, so. Let's see. Let's see what where we can get going. Oh. They won't do it. Let's see. Ain't fit, guys. We finna see. They kind of give you see this space here? It make your rim pop out. It make your wheels kind of like stick out. That's what I don't like. But it can be beneficial and it can kind of not be, because these tires wide and it just touch the inside. So from this on here being a little farther out, it kind of could hit it, but I'm just ain't a fan of these, period. We'll take these off and then we'll see. It is fit in the back of here. And it'll tell me everything I need to know. But I ain't throw these away and sell them for a good reason. And this likely be the reason. Alright, let's see. They don't fit. They don't fit. Lips, man. I sure wanted to be able to make them fit. But we may be able to still make them fit somehow. We just gotta get an adapter. I'm gonna put these back up under here where I got them from. So, just in case. Yeah, just in case. Just in case. We'll look up some adapters and we'll see what they do. Always have your stuff organized now. And y'all stay tuned, man. That's what it was. We're gonna get back to the cutty. See what we can get going. It's gonna be probably like fast to y'all, because I'm gonna jump on this probably tomorrow sometime. So we're gonna get the cutty back up and going. I'm gonna go get that CD player hooked up. I'm gonna take y'all with me. But this just was a short video to let y'all know, man, that I did want to put the 22s on the truck, on the S10. I'm gonna order the adapters and we're gonna get them on here, y'all. Now it's a project to me and I wanna do that. So man, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And turn on the post notification, man, for whenever I drop a video, y'all can get on here and see what I'm doing and what I'm up to. So then, man, y'all hold it down. And I'm out of here. Peace.